Hi, and welcome to Occasional Fish. Today we're indulging in one of my favorite comfort foods, slow cooker bean soup. This recipe is perfect for beginners and takes almost no effort at all. So get cozy and let's get cooking. First, pour a bag of soup mix beans into a strainer and give them a good rinse under cool water. If your beans come with a flavor packet, you can just discard it. I like to sift through by hand to check for any little hidden pebbles. I haven't found one yet, but hey, better safe than crunchy. Once your safety check is complete, go ahead and transfer those clean beans straight into the slow cooker. Now we're going to build some flavor. Pour in 8 cups of water and stir in 2 tablespoons of bouillon paste until it's nicely dissolved. If you're using broth, you can just use 8 cups of broth. Now we're going to season with a little bit of salt and pepper to your taste. Then sprinkle in about 1.5 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning. I'm using measuring spoons here, but honestly, there's no need to be exact. Season it however you like, it's your kitchen. Stir to mix in the seasonings and turn your slow cooker to high for 1 hour with the lid on. Starting on high helps kick things off and shortens the overall cook time. Once that hour's up, stir it a bit and switch it to low. We'll let it simmer for another 4 hours, and this is when all the magic happens. You can walk away, enjoy your day, and when the timer goes off, your soup is ready. Here's a little tip: if you prefer a thicker texture, just mash a few of the beans with the back of your spoon until it reaches the consistency you like. The soup will naturally thicken as it cools and reheats, so it's never too late to adjust. Now spoon the soup into bowls and enjoy those warm, savory bites. Thanks for joining me and making this effortless, hearty bean soup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a recipe. I'll see you in the next one.